Hey everyone, this is a very special modular home right here. Man, y'all are gonna really enjoy this one, I believe. We're looking at over 2,100 square feet. We have a second level that is finished out and just an overall really cool floor plan. And then obviously you can tell we got the front porch. So just not your average basic manufactured home right here that we're seeing. This is at Future Homes. And what a beautiful location. This is in Hampstead, North Carolina. Look at that. I mean, they even got the boat under that one. We're gonna be touring, I'm gonna be touring every one of these homes here and putting them on the channel. So I don't know at which point, some may already be out. This is actually the first one that I'm recording here today. Let's take a quick walk around and we gotta get in because we got two different levels to see. As we're walking, let me give you a look at some of these as well. These are all show models, okay? These are show models that are set up and you come in, customize your dream home as far as a modular house, and they handle getting it set up and everything for you, the financing, everything that you need. But what I love about this place, just being here, I've only been here probably 20 minutes, is just look at the landscaping. We got the show models bricked. We got the AC. You can't go wrong with the AC. It's just a really cool place. If y'all are over this way, check them out. I honestly figured it was gonna be like this because I went to one of their other locations last year in Hubert and it was the same way there. So we got another entryway there, electrical outlet, light fixture. Let me go ahead and take you around and get on the porch. I haven't been in that house, but it looks cool as well. Gonna have a back porch you can come out onto. All right, so yeah, this is the Carolina collection. We got some cool stuff to see in there as well, but there's a look at another one where they took that porch over here to the right. So just, yeah, like I'm telling y'all, possibilities are kind of endless on these homes. Electrical outlet. Stick around after the tour. We'll get into more information about this place, this manufacturer, this model, and I'll try to help y'all the best I possibly can. Let's get inside. Surely you dropped a like, hadn't you? Okay, just checking. Thank you. As soon as we walk in, look at this. I'm just gonna push the door open. And the finishes, like those countertops and cabinets and stuff, is beautiful. Let's start out though with the living room, and then you can see right around there is the stairs. I haven't even been up there, y'all. I thought we'd do that together. I did peek around there, and I see that it's sheetrock up there, so I know it's finished out. But that's about all I know. What I do in these tours is I kind of just talk about the things I see. Y'all be sure to drop comments if you like, things maybe I miss or that you would do different, or this, or just what you love or what you don't. It don't matter. I just want to hear from y'all. First thing I'm seeing, look at these baseboards. Those are massive. And then look at our crown molding, 9-foot ceilings. Look at our trim around our doors and our windows as well. I'm sorry, I'm going back and forth. You're gonna see that throughout this house, I imagine. Lots of light coming here in the living room. And so we got our dining area right here when you walk in. I'll go ahead and quickly hit it next. I'm eager to get into the kitchen. Very cool light fixture. And into the kitchen. Look at our lighting under the cabinets. All right, so yeah, I just briefly look at this when I walk in here. We got the Carolina. Got the Carolina 2. That's gonna be like that one they got outside, except that looks like that's flipped. You got the porch on the left side. You got the Carolina Coastal. Look at that, on the pylons and all. So Just really, really awesome. And then you got the Carolina traditional. Okay. Just a lot. I'm not gonna go through all of them, but yeah. We'll talk more about that after the tour, and definitely check them out online if you want. 2 different colored cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Ooh, let me back up. We've got to get a look at this. Mm-hmm. Built-in microwave. Look at all the countertop space, and I just love those light tops, your darker cabinets, and those lights. Is that not very nice looking? Let's see. You got your backsplash that's white as well. You can customize a lot of that, y'all. Is this a hidden pantry? Oh, whew. That was gonna get crazy. Let me make sure. I mean, sometimes you just got to be careful. Like, does this push in? You know, I don't even know these days. That one home I did a while back, y'all remember, it had the bookshelf like set up, and it just pushed it into it, and it was a hidden pantry. Nice big island too, with 4 bar stools there. That's great. All right, I'm gonna do something crazy. I'm gonna take out upstairs next because I know that's the main bedroom. We got a half bath down there, but let's go ahead. Let's make it an adventure. Y'all ready? Y'all wanna do that? I mean, I can't hear you, so I don't know why I'm I think it's a good idea. If you don't think it's a good idea, just fast forward to the main bedroom, okay? That's what you can do. Yeah, I peeked around here just to look, and that's all I saw. I was like, yep, it's finished sheetrock, so something's going on. All right. We got a bath, and it looks like 2 bedrooms. And then we got this room here, and be like a little play area or something. Let's go in this bath first. Gonna be a full bath here, shower tub combo. I was thinking about with that roof pitch, I was like, man, it would be pretty tight up there, but look, you still got every bit. These are gotta be 8-foot ceilings, obviously over there. And each side, you know, is gonna kind of go down a little bit, but so this is off the back. Got your 5-panel doors. Surely maybe I'll be able to have a floor plan of this upstairs. So if I do, I've probably popped it up before we even came in the house, so you already knew it was gonna be up here. But at the time of recording, I didn't have a clue. I mean, you got plenty of room up here. And then we got another bedroom, so this will be off the front. Double door closet into here as well. Big closet. Both of those rooms have some pretty big closets. These rooms would be set up great. I don't know why I'm envisioning this being a beach house or something. Maybe it's because I'm close to the beach. But if it was, these would be great guest rooms. Or if this was your primary residence, these would be also really nice kids' rooms. And then you have this area to hang out and play and all that. All right, let's get back down here. So if you been fast forwarding, you'll have to go back and rewind now. Don't read me wrong. I didn't say fast forward and not go back. You're gonna have to go back, but this is where you'd probably pick up about right now. And if you didn't see all that, let me just tell you, you really missed out. All right, look, right here we got a storage room. This is gonna be under your stairwell. I wonder if maybe behind that panel's a water heater. I don't know that 100%, but it looks like it could be. Main bedroom to the left. I wanna show you this. We've got a half bath in our laundry room also. Here's a good look at the trim around the door. So yeah, laundry room. All right, what's this? Okay, nice storage closet. And then we have the side door here. Facing the house is on the right side. Sink, some cabinets, and then some cabinets up top as well. Some countertop space. Perfect area for some clothes hampers. Washer and dryer set up right here. And then we got a rack. Now let me take you into the main bedroom. And then we gotta go upstairs. I'm always used to going upstairs after this, so y'all really threw me for a loop right here. I hope you know that. Nice closet. We got a separate tub and shower in here. Now, I think this show model has been here for a little bit of time, but if you see another house here, the same manufacturer, which there's several, and you say, well, I like this tub or this shower, you can definitely option it in. Like this, some of this stuff actually, depending on how long this show model's been here, some of this stuff you may not even be able to get because it's been updated over time, if that makes sense. I don't know exactly how long this show model's been here, I'm just guessing. We got the shower, we got the tub, we got two different sinks separated. This one's got a little more countertop space and it's closer to the bedroom. So fellas, you know what to do right there. Give that to the significant other. Here's the water closet. Okay. We have officially toured another amazing home. Y'all let me know what you think. We're finna get into more information right now. We got the baseboards everywhere in this house. Want to hear from you. Drop a comment. Be sure to share and subscribe. Yeah, really share, please. Share this video with someone. Let's get into all the great info right now. Well, shoot the outro here from my computer because I got some cool stuff I want to show you basically on Future Homes website. So I thought we'd just do it this way. Let me scale down right here. And yeah, I popped up that thumbnail of the Carolina that I did there at their other plant. It'd be a few months back if you want to see it with the side porch and all. But yeah, this is the Carolina. We're going to see it as the coastal, basically on the pylons. Obviously, they just had it set on the ground, but it's the same floor plan and all that. So yeah, this is Future Homes. 3 different locations, and they are the retailer. The manufacturer is Nationwide Homes, which is rebranded to Cavco Martinsville, I believe. I believe that's right because they're built in Martinsville, Virginia. But yeah, let's see. But yeah, they have a few different locations as far as a retail center. You would go through your local retailer to get any of Nationwide's homes. We'll have a link in the description that can help you. Also drop a link directly to this Carolina Coastal. So what I want to show you, if you go back, let's just go to their homepage here. And actually, that's that Carolina there. But if you scroll down, you can see the different, they got ranch, coastal, all kind of different home styles. If you click coastal is where we're going to find the Carolina right here. Now what I wanted to show you is this is the one that we toured, but look at this. So this is a Carolina traditional coastal, and you pretty much, it's just like the door is on this, if you're facing the house, this left side, it's just turned where the front door's over here. You see what I'm saying? That's pretty much all they've really done. If we look at the floor plan, I mean, you'll see there are some other differences as well, and you can order these and get them customized a lot, but essentially it's the same house. It's just like the one we toured, your front door's right over here, where in this house the front door is right over here. You see? So that's all that you take this Carolina that's a collection, and there's just so many things that you can do. It looks like a totally different house, don't it? Got the dormers up top. Let's see, as far as the second level, I haven't looked at the second level of this one, see how similar. But yeah, I mean, pretty similar. Not exactly, but pretty close. So just want to show you the opportunities are kind of endless here with these modular homes. These are taken off of the frame and set on a crane, picked up with a crane and set on a foundation. But yeah, Future Homes, y'all definitely check them out. If you're over any of these areas, be sure to tell them you watch the videos. If you do have a question, drop a comment. I'll try to help you the best I possibly can. The last thing I want to get into is estimated retail pricing, and we'll close this video out. You can check out another home. So when it comes to pricing, this will just be what they gave me there at Future Homes. This will be for like the model we toured. Now obviously if you was to get it even like this traditional, or if you was to put it on pylons and all the different things that you can do, you know, that'll have an impact on price as well. This will just give you a great idea. My goal with these tours is to be able to help give you a general idea. I love, if I'm looking at something that I'm potentially interested in, I kind of just want to have a general idea, like, hey, what is this roughly going for? That's what this is. I'm just touring these homes. I'm not selling them personally, but this is what Future Homes gave me. So this will give you a great idea. For at the time of recording, it's right here, y'all. Yeah, you can learn a lot more on their website. I will drop a link directly to the Carolina model of Future Homes, and you can learn about their location, design, and build, and all the good stuff on there. Hope you have a tremendous day. Thank y'all so much for watching another one of the videos. Hope you have a splendid weekend. I know this video is going to be coming out on a Saturday night, and if you're tuning in on a Saturday night, hey, I appreciate you taking your Saturday night and not watching college football. Maybe you could do both. You know, they need the multi-view on YouTube like they have on the TV with all the different football games where you can watch several at once. Like you could have, check this home run in the top right corner. You could have college football, you know what I'm saying? It's just something to think about, YouTube. I'm so grateful for each and every one of y'all. God bless you. Take care. See you on the next one.